Hello, we're here in Port St. Lucie. This is Fabian with Painting Artist. We're painting a exterior garage door that used to be pink. Now we're making it beautiful satin extra white. I'm using a 308 fine finish filter tip. I like to do so just because we use a lot less paint. I'm able to go ahead and put 2 light coats of it, maybe 3 if needed, but this way you're not getting a bunch of overspray, any drippage. I'm going to turn it up. It's too windy. I'm going to have to switch tips and use a different size tip. I'll be back in just a moment.